Apparently last year when I reviewed the Pacifica Beauty Glow Baby skincare collection, I didn't know what the hell I was doing.
What?
Because unbeknownst to me, I thought I was reviewing the entire collection. But then over a year and a half later, something like that, I just get a box from Pacifica Beauty with more of these products and I was like, wow, they're just sending me a restock. That's so kind. They know I love this collection. Then come to find out from what was in this box, there were several products that I had never tried and had never seen. So today we're gonna do a little recap on some of my favorite products from the original review that I had done from this collection, as well as talk about several of the new products that I'm very excited to get my hands on. So if you love skincare as much as me, keep on watching. Okay, before you even ask, yes, I intentionally tried to make my shirt match the products because I just wanted to give you that vibe, okay? I try, I do my best, all right?
Okay.
So starting from the top, as far as talking about the products that I originally talked about and tried on and reviewed in the first version of this collection here on YouTube, I started off with the Brightening Face Wash. This is the Glow Baby Brightening Face Wash. This is meant to even out, exfoliate, and cleanse your skin. This also has added AHA, which is alpha hydroxy acid, as well as vitamin C. So this product, as well as the entire collection, the main intentions behind these products are to brighten your skin, even out your skin complexion, reduce the appearance of texture, things like that. So brighten, clarify, just make your skin extra beautiful. Glowy is the key. Glow Baby Brightening Face Wash has a sister product. I call it a sister product. This is the Glow Baby AHA Brightening Scrub. So this has both AHA and BHA. BHA is beta hydroxy acid. All of these products are marked as being great for all skin types, which is great. For me personally, I have right now more so dry skin, but also very sensitive skin. And these products have always worked very well for me. As far as the ones that I've used so far, they have all worked very well. Now, I'm the first to say that I don't really love traditional scrubs on my face because sometimes they can cause micro tears if they're too gritty and just too strong. So hopefully this is not that. I'm definitely excited to give this a try. I prefer chemical exfoliants, but I will give this one a try for sure because I know this entire collection is like a 10 out of 10. So I expect very good things from this product. Next, we have the Glow Baby Eye Bright Cream. Now this one is marked as fragrance free, and I don't believe the original version I have is fragrance free. I've been using this for a while. I use this, it doesn't look like it, but I use it every single time I do my makeup. I just like to take, I don't need too much. I take a little bit and dab it underneath my eyes. I mainly use this for skin prep, so I keep it in my vanity at the top drawer, right next to my foundation. But this is how I prep my under eyes prior to applying my makeup and doing any types of videos or anything like that. This is my go-to. What I really like about this is that it does have more of a thick consistency, so I really feel like it's not only really absorbing into my skin, but kind of sitting on top very lightly so that I just feel like I'm getting that hydration all day long. I definitely have noticed a reduction in any creasing underneath my eyes with my concealer when I make sure that I use this eye cream specifically. There's other ones that do a great job as well, but this one does a really good job. Next up, we have the Glow Baby Brightening Peel Pad. These have 10% AHA and BHA. I would not use these on the same day that I use the scrub, just because, again, because too much AHA and BHA can damage your skin barrier, and that can lead to a lot of sensitivity on your skin. Your other products may sting your face a little bit, and it's not conducive to a good skincare moment, okay? So if you're gonna use the scrub, don't use the pads for a few days. If you wanna use the pads, don't use the scrub for a few days. Main purpose of both of these products are to gently exfoliate your skin. This is going to increase your skin cell turnover, which makes your skin look more glowy and lively. It's going to slough off any of those dead skin cells, which are clogging your pores and can lead to active breakouts, which of course we don't want. So just choose one or the other throughout the week if possible, which it is possible, you just gotta do it. But I would not exfoliate your skin more than like twice per week. Everyone's a little bit different. For me, anything more than 2 is just overkill. All right, next is a product that is new to me. This is the Brightening Body Lotion. This has a broad spectrum SPF 30 in it. So I'm gonna pull my sleeve up because I wanna know what this feels like on my skin. Maybe.
3 hours later.
There we go. Smells very nice. Oh, she's a little thickums. Oh, I like that. There's like a little pink tint to it, which is really cute. It smells very tropical, but not in like an overwhelming way. It's a very light fragrance, which is nice. But this feels very good. Ooh. That's nice. Sometimes body lotions are too oily, kind of greasy, and sometimes they're super dry feeling to where it feels like you're just smearing like liquid chalk on your body. This is not that. This feels very nice. So I'm excited to put this all over my body. Alrighty, up next is the Glow Baby Brightening Body Wash. And if you're like, didn't we just talk about that? No, we talked about the brightening, I'm just clear that myself. We talked about the Brightening Face Wash. Now technically, could you use this on your body? Yes, but there's not enough in this for you to like want to put this all over your body just because you're gonna go through it really, really fast. So they specifically have a body wash, which is great. So it's the same concept as a face wash though, with the brightening aspects of it and the vitamin C. It's gonna brighten your skin. It's gonna help to remove any of those dead skin cells and just overall beautify your complexion. Also a great aspect of incorporating vitamin C into your skincare routine, whether it's on your face or your body, is that it can also help to reduce the appearance of hyperpigmentation, aka dark spots. So if you're someone that tans a lot and you have a little bit of speckles all over your body, this can help to reduce the appearance of those. I wanna know what this smells like. Oh, it is like yellow. I was actually not expecting that. Smells very good. Smells like a pineapple orange smoothie, something like that. That smells very nice. I'm gonna smell it again. I can't smell it. I don't know why I thought I could smell it when I started closing it. Anyway, ignore me. That's gonna be delicious on my body. I'm very, very excited about that. I don't know why the color surprised me because I feel like, I don't know, everything's orange. So I felt like it would be either clear or just like an actual orange, but that yellow color is kind of ugly, but also kind of cool at the same time. The little things in life that excite me, okay? Okay. Alright, I have 3 more products to talk about. The next one we're going to talk about is the Booster Serum. This is a glycolic acid and vitamin C booster serum. Again, this is going to be great at renewing your skin, increasing that skin cell turnover, and really reducing the appearance of fine lines, clogged pores, and texture on your skin. Glycolic acid is also one of my favorite skincare ingredients. This is really, really great when I have a lot of breakouts. So if you don't have anything that's like a spot treatment, you can go in with this bad boy, apply it all over your face, apply a little bit extra on some spots that are, you know, a bit more prominent, a bit more noticeable. And this does a really great job at clearing up that active acne breakout really, really quickly. Also, when we're applying skincare products to our face, don't ever neglect your neck. Your neck needs extra, extra love because we're moving around a lot. We start creating lines a bit earlier, especially with all of us walking around, looking down on our cell phones all day long. At least I know I do. So definitely give a little bit of extra, extra love and attention to your neck. Do not skip it. Because like, what's it gonna look like in, 30 years from now? I don't know what age you are, don't worry, it don't matter. But like, what about in like 30 years from now, your skin is looking nice and beautiful, tight, clear, glowing. And then because you skipped applying skincare to your neck, you have like this wrinkly, crinkly neck and like super soft, smooth skin on your face. It doesn't make sense. So let's make sure they both look the same and look as nice as possible. But I don't know about you, I wanna look as young as I possibly can for as long as I can. Alrighty, the final 2 products are both lotions. These are face lotions. So the first one is the Glow Face Lotion. This has vitamin C and vitamin E. This is a lotion that I am used to using. I've went through, I think, 2 bottles of this. It is a great, great lotion. This lotion feels very, very nice on your skin. I definitely love the way this absorbs, but this is not a moisturizer that I apply prior to makeup. You just can't apply every single moisturizer as your actual skin prep. Most of them you can, but this is just not one that worked well underneath any of my foundation, so I just stay away from that. If you are going to apply this throughout your day and then wear makeup later, make sure you give your skin enough time for it to fully absorb. Like, give yourself an hour or 2 before you actually do your makeup. But if you're like me and you like to use your moisturizers as your actual makeup prep, this would not be the one that I would recommend. I mean, you can give it a try and see if it works for you. It just doesn't work for me as a good primer, so just keeping it real. And lastly, we have the sister product to the last face lotion. This is the Super Lit SPF lotion. This has a broad spectrum SPF 30 in it. So essentially it's the same product as the one we just applied, but this has the added SPF. So if you're big into your SPF, which you probably should be, if you go outside, if you're in the sun at all, definitely incorporate SPF into your skincare. 110%, please do. So this would be a great starting point. SPF 30 is not a bad amount to have. I mean, I like to go for like the SPF 50 and 60 because I am very, very pale, I am transparent, I'm Casper the Friendly Ghost, and I had skin cancer in the past, so I like to stay out of the sun as much as possible. But SPF 30 is better than nothing. I'd say out of all of the products that we have here, I'm most excited about the AHA Brightening Scrub, the Brightening Body Wash, and probably the Brightening Body Lotion. I'm super excited to have a restock of some of my favorite skincare products probably ever, especially from Pacifica Beauty, but also I'm really excited to try out some of these new ones that, again, I thought I, had in my first review, but I didn't because I don't know what I'm doing. Now, if you have not seen the original video, I highly recommend checking that video out because I go really, really in depth on the products that I do have from this collection or did have from this collection. So they're all tried on. I go really, really deep into the ingredients and all the fun facts about them. So definitely check that out after you watch this video. And I feel like this will maybe make a little bit more sense. If you have seen the original video, I'm sure you'll love this video. But with that being said, that's all I have for you guys in today's updated Pacifica Beauty Glow Baby Collection review. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to click that big red subscribe button so you can join my YouTube family, and I'll see you guys in the next one. As well as, okay, before you even ask, oh my gosh, they've always worked very well. As far as the ones I've used so far, they have already, oh my god, as far as the ones I've used already, they have very, so overall, these overall, these two products lead, oh my God. If you love skincare, stick here. The found, but this, oh my God, where's it at? But that's all I have for you guys. But that's all. And can lead to active, oh my God, which can lead to, but if you're using a moisturizer as your skin, but if you're using, but I don't know about you, and I don't, oh my gosh. I would say out of all of these, and probably the brightening, come on.